Hello students, I Saurav Asthi, faculty of Mount Litra G School, have brought a new chapter for you, the fun they had for class 9th. So first, before starting the chapter, let's study about the introduction of the chapter. Students, here in this chapter, the author tries to tell us about the classrooms and schools of the future. They will be generally automated with robotic or mechanical teachers. The story describes the feelings of two students about the schools of the past. Here students, they loved the schools of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They rejoice at the feeling of being taught by a human teacher. They anticipate the fun of being together with other children of their age. So students, in this chapter we are going to study that how these computers are going to teach the students in the future. As you can see even today, that what we are facing, the condition of right now, where all the students are studying through these computerized machines instead of from human beings. The same thing is given in this chapter also, which has been described over here, which we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the summary of the chapter. So here, the present story is set in the future when children don't have traditional books and schools. Margie, a little girl in the story, makes a diary entry. Tommy found a real book. The entry reveals the date, 21st of May 2157. And students, you can just imagine, right now it's just 2020. Okay, showing that the story is set much into the future. The book was a very old one, just like the one that her grandfather had in his time as a student. Its pages were yellow and she found it funny to read the words that were not moving like that on a computer screen. Okay, now when Tommy had the book in his hand, he called it a waste because after one time reading, it could be thrown away. The same feeling was with Margie too. Tommy found that book in the attic of his house, and that book was about a school. Margie hated her school and her mechanical teacher a lot. Her teacher was not a living being. He was an image that flashes on her screen in her study room. He gave her test after test in geography, and she was not doing well. Her failure in geography had invited an inspector who tried to trace out the problem. So her mother had asked the county inspector to come and find what was wrong. So students, here the county inspector was a round little man with a red face. Margie had thought that he would take her mechanical teacher away completely, but it was not so. The inspector set the teacher right within an hour or so. He told her mother that nothing was wrong with the girl, rather than the screen was too fast for the girl, and therefore Margie was having troubles. Now it had been slowed down so that she would be okay with its level. Okay, now on reading that book, Tommy had a discussion about the school with Margie. The old kind of schools were a building common to all, and with human teachers who would teach all the boys and girls the same thing if they were on the same age. He gave them tests as well as homework. Margie wanted to know more about those kinds of funny schools. But it was time for her to go to her school now. It was time for Tommy to for his school, and both of them decided to read the book later on now. Okay, so now what actually happened after this in the story where Margie's schoolroom was next to her bedroom, where the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for Margie. Her school was open every day except Saturday and Sunday. Margie's mother believed that girls learn better if they do it regularly. The mechanical teacher was going to teach a lesson on arithmetic. It was about the addition of proper fraction. Margie had no interest in it. Margie had to put yesterday's homework also in the proper slot too. The mechanical teacher never forgot to ask for the homework. Margie, being nostalgic, Margie was sitting in front of her mechanical teacher, but she was thinking of the good old days when the kids had a common time and place to study. She was also thinking of the human teacher that used to teach them. She was thinking of the fun they had at the school. So finally, students, here we can see that the mechanical teacher was on, but Margie was engrossed in thinking of the fun they had in the old days. Okay, so now students, we have completed with the summary of the chapter also. Now I have given few question answers also for you, which you can see, you can read them, go through them, and you can practice them for your exam. Okay, so here we can see that the first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? And the next question comes here, what did Margie write in her diary? So here the date is given in the answer, which she have written in her diary. Okay, now the third question is, had Margie ever seen a book before? So here it was not seen before, but because Tommy found it in his attic, so that's why they got that book. Okay, like this, that means you have to answer all the questions. And now the question number 4 is, what things about the book did she had or find strange? And the fifth question is, what do you think a telebook is? Here telebook is a computer book, that means also known as ebook. Okay, now question number 6 is, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Now question number 7 will be, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So in the chapter and in the summary also we have gone through these subjects like geography, history and mathematics. Okay, so students, here few questions are of like answer the following with reference to the story. Here I have given 2 questions for you. In this question also, question number 2, you can see one extract of 2 lines is given to you, where you have given 3 questions which are to be answered by you. Okay, now you are going to have a short paragraph answers, that means the answers which you have to give in 30 words. So you should remember the word limit also of these answers, and here I have given 8 questions for you, which you can go through, learn them, read them. Okay, now at last you are going to have long answer type questions, which you have to answer in 120 to 150 words. You have to see the word limit also of these answers. Okay, and they will be of near about 6 to 8 marks in your examination. Okay, students, so keep on practicing for your examination, keep on learning them, write them in your fair copy also. Okay, so that it will give you a more practice. Okay, thank you so much now. Keep practicing, stay safe, be healthy, and keep studying. Thank you so much.